These are the C-Lash Naturals by Eylure, designed by Codilia. They're specially designed for those with no eyelashes or those looking for an easier lash application. Every box comes with a detailed leaflet explaining how to apply the C-Lash correctly. They're perfect for those with little to no experience putting on eyelashes. What makes the C-Lash special is this band behind the lashes that aid in application. Every box also comes with glue, so you can wear the lashes multiple times. To apply the lashes, peel the C-Lash off of the backing. This reveals a clear adhesive band behind the lash. First, you'll want to measure the lash to make sure it's the appropriate size for your eyelid. Feel free to trim off a little bit of excess if needed. For me, the lash fits perfectly, so I don't need to trim it. If you wish to use glue on these lashes, you'll apply some glue to the band before you apply the lash to your lid. You'll want to apply the lash starting at the innermost corner of your eyelid and gently pressing down. From this point, you can add eyeliner, eyeshadow, or any other eye makeup on top of the adhesive band to blend it in with your eye seamlessly. The C-Lash Naturals by Eylure are available to shop now at HairWeavon.com.